Okay, here we are on the St. Johns River, pressure washing a nice little place. Robert and Brian catching his chimneys, working on the back side of the house. Beautiful place here, right on the St. Johns River, Palatka, Florida. We're going to pressure wash it's probably a 2-day job here. Pressure washing the entire house. Big pool deck. Got a big garage apartment up at the front of the house. A lot of columns. Mailbox. It's all mildewed and got blind mosquitoes and bugs all over it. And then we come in behind and we'll use our reverse osmosis DI cart for doing the window cleaning. It's a beautiful place. It's going to come out looking fantastic when we're done.